here is DanceBit app. So here you can just find it. DanceBit home dance workouts. So this is now a trending app, especially after holidays. Stay fit and healthy with fun and easy dance workouts. Enjoy dancing and lose weight at home. It's time to dance your way to better fitness with our dance workout app, DanceBit. You move to the groove, have fun, and stay active at the same time. So, if you're just bored with some normal workout, you can try this TikTok style workout app where you just do some dances. It's much more engaging and much more fun, especially with your favorite music. You're just kind of dancing, but if you're doing that for literally like a few weeks, you will lose a lot of calories. Trust me. So then you can just kind of have it like that, and then you can just continue, and then you can just select it like this. Select your styles. And then you can see onboarding. And seems unfortunately you can only do this with the paid plan. So 1 month $30, 6 months 60, 3 months 45. There is no free trial. Then alright, so seems there is some kind of free version. You can just, for example, start. If you want to start a workout, unfortunately you need to upgrade, and then there is some additional payments. Then you can see workouts.
Welcome everybody!
And it's a lot of fun. So just a lot of dancing workouts.
Alright, we got a new move coming up.
You have
Just
shorts like that. And yeah, so that's kind of the idea. Voice over language. So yeah, quite cool app. And then, by the way, you have a nice discount. If you do not upgrade right away, you will have a discount.